right side, please.
This or what?
You got it right.
Oh, there we go.
Just like that. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Turn over. On your back. Look at these shoes.
Huge.
So I'm thinking of this way.
Oh, that's like my favorite one.
That was a good one.
Yeah. Oh man.
And behind your neck, and on the shoulder. Ooh, that already went.
Yep.
That's good.
I know, you just touched it and it went. That was crazy.
Down. That's the power of that laser one.
Right? Oh, that's the side.
Yeah.
The lights have come on.
Hey, go ahead and sit up. You go that side. Just be working on it. Check both arms.
Oh man. Yep. Pretty tightened up in there.
How's it feel?
Really good.
Get everything?
Just like that, I'm a new man.
Okay.
Oh, so much better. Yeah.
Let me smell stuff first.
I feel like that's just right there, almost ready.
Any other trips coming up? You just working?
Just not for work, still COVID, things like that. It's still kind of hindering that, but just prepping for October now. That's it. We're gonna do a powerlifting meet at the gym in January.
That's
So,
cool.
Yeah, we should have you set up a booth there.
That'd be fun.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that was it. That was what I was wanting. I'm a new man. Thank you.
Awesome.
Feeling great. Ready to rock and roll.
Always a pleasure.
Yeah.
Any
appreciate
questions
it.
for me today?
No, that's it. Thank you
Okay,
so
good
much.
to see you.
Appreciate it. Oh, that's awesome.